I've got the two master cylinders apart. Got the left cylinder here and then the right cylinder. Both came apart pretty straightforward. I mean, on both you just remove the retaining circlip there. You know, that just pulls out. You've got a washer, you know, spacing washer. You've got the piston, as you can see, aluminium with the rubber, you know, an O-ring on there. That O-ring on this side, the left side, we'll start with the left side condition. The rubber's gone soft and it's sort of beginning to fragment away. So there's fragments of, you know, rubber coming away, and there's a slight bit of corrosion on the top, which, you know, we'll clean up. You've then got a thin, very thin, let's try and get this off the table, very thin washer there, almost like a spacer, I don't know, I'm not quite sure. Then you've got the spring, and this is where the issue begins on the left side. The spring here, as you can see, spring's good condition, it's not corroded away, but the rubber seal, as you can see right there, has split. It's gone very soft and it's beginning to break up. The back seal is, well, pretty well mangled up. You know, it's come apart, it's pulled away from its, you know, the retaining pin here and all the clips and springs, they've all completely fallen away. It's all come apart, and the rubber, you know, bits of the rubber are missing, which I can only assume is what is in the master cylinder, you know, the brake lines. As for the inside, so down in the bore, there is, you know, it's very good condition in there, not much corrosion, no scoring. So on that side, seal kit. If we can get hold of the seal kit, I'll bang in some new seals, and that should hopefully be, you know, be that one fixed. As for the other one is in the right side. This is in much, you know, is in a better condition. You know, again, same design, same way it comes apart with the clips, the washers, the piston. Again, has the same problem with its seal, a little bit of corrosion there, but nothing major. It's then got that very thin brass on this one, a brass washer. Here you've got the spring's in very nice condition still. The front rubber has actually come apart, as I'll see there, that, you know, that's come away, but it isn't in bad condition, but obviously it'll be replaced because I'll do a seal kit on this one. The back one, you know, is in much better condition. That is what it should look like, but unfortunately it is starting to split, so that will need replacing as well. And you've got the end cap which sits on there, which holds it all together. So all in all, this one again is repairable, hopefully. The bores, again, much the same story as the other one. Good clean condition, no scoring, nothing, you know, no real signs of rust or corrosion that's set in there. The rubber boots as well, you know, they're in really good condition. Obviously with the seal kit you get new boots on for each kit. Again, the housing as well, that clean up, I'll just give that, you know, a clean up, you know, a coat of paint and everything. So that will do that more than, you know, more than fine. So other than that, of course, then you got the cup, and, you know, that's the brake fluid that came out of the reservoir. There is a small percentage of water in there. You can see it, it's a bit dark now, but you could see it floating, you know, separating as oil and water does. So I'll keep you updated on that. I'll order some seal kits by the looks of it, and we'll see if we get anything out of that. Hopefully, you know, hopefully we'll be able to, you know, keep a bit more originality to the tractor, because, you know, other than that, it's just the seals that are becoming an issue, and it's cheaper than replacing the actual cylinders themselves. And also the cylinders that are available are not the same design, so I would have to alter all the brake lines, which would be a bit of a pain, but is doable. But for the moment we'll try and do this fix first and see where it gets us. So I'll keep you updated on that, and stay tuned, see you in the next video. But thanks for watching, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.